On this lesson, we're going to be solving for a variable, and there may be other variables in the equation. In fact, there will be. So in this example, they're solving for m. The biggest thing you need to do is find the variable you're solving for. So this m is right next to a 6. So there's a term being added to the 6m, so we have to subtract that from both sides. Now d and n are not like terms, so we're just going to write d minus n equals 6 times m, and then to get rid of the 6 we have to divide. Since they're being multiplied, we do the opposite of multiply, but we have to divide everything on both sides by 6, so that would be your answer. We'll do some examples. So remember, the first thing we want to do is find the variable that we're solving for, and it's right here. Notice that there's a minus 15r. We've got to get rid of that. So we are going to add that term to both sides. Now, don't think that you can add the 15r and the negative 5 to make one term. It's actually going to be 2, and it's a positive 15r minus 5, and that's going to equal 12s. Because these are multiplied, we have to divide both sides by 12, and it's the entire left side is going to be divided by 12. So s is going to equal 15r minus 5. And then in the denominator, we want to have 12. The answers are going to be very similar in these type of problems just because of the nature of how they're presenting them to us. So we're solving for b. So we have 3b plus 4, and it's important to use your capital letters or lowercase as needed. So we're looking for the b, and here is this plus 4c. Wait, we'll circle that, underline this. So we have to subtract the 4c. Wait a minute, I don't want this under here. So we're going to do minus 4c. Now these two are not like terms, so we just have a minus 4c. 3b equals a minus 4c. Now we have to divide both sides by 3, the whole thing. So we have b equals a minus 4c all divided by, nope, we want caps here, all divided by 3. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.